Hi preschoolers, are you ready for another story? Today I have Bear Snores On. This story is by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. And there's quite a few different bear books like this, with Bear and all of his forest friends. These are pretty cute books. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Do you see him right here? Sleeping in the cave. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day. He sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. So the mouse is trying to stay warm from the winter too. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. The hare is a rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff, snuff at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mouse mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the big bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Do you see him back there? He's still sleeping. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flick makes the bear... Oh, what's the bear gonna do when he smelled the pepper? Achoo! Whoa, that was a big sneeze. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gargles and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, does he look very happy that that woke him up? Yikes! You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're staying nice and warm. I'll see you later.